So it's nearly midnight and we've finally just made it to Dubrovnik, and this is our hotel. Do a little walk through. It's actually really, really nice. This is the bathroom. I really love this tile. It's super spacious. Got plenty of room. And then on this wall outside the bathroom, we've got this hanging closet, some storage. And if you go this way, we have a kitchen with more of that tile. And then over here is the bedroom. So we have a nice big bed. This actually looks like a king-size bed, which I really have not seen in most places in Europe, so that's really nice. And there's actually a little vanity here. There's a little stool under there with really nice lighting. This giant closet for all of the stuff that I actually didn't bring this time. We have a mirror over here, TV, and the best part would definitely be the outdoor balcony. It is beautiful. There's Matt. If we actually had just been one more floor up, we'd probably be able to see the city a little bit better, but I'll zoom you in.
Stand on the chair.
So over there is Old Town. It's kind of hard to see, but there is a big structure over there, which we are going to explore tomorrow, so that'll be part of tomorrow's vlog. But we have a really nice view from our apartment, which we're really happy about. So that's the little hotel tour. It is a very nice place. And all these places that we've been staying at have actually been really affordable, and they're super nice. Everything in Croatia has been extremely clean, which I love. Can't go wrong there. So yeah, with that being said, I am looking very rough. It's been a long day. I've been to the beach. I haven't showered yet, so I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna go to bed. And I'll see you guys in the morning, so stay tuned for that.